Have you ever found yourself in a foreign country, excited to explore but worried about your finances? Well, that's where YouTrip comes in. It's a handy little card that lets you spend in multiple currencies without those pesky conversion fees. But how do you actually get money onto this magical card? Let's dive in. Hook, ever wondered how to turn your regular cash into a global currency powerhouse? First things first, you need to download the YouTrip app and sign up for an account. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with a few options to fund your account. Let's break them down. Bank transfer. This is probably the most straightforward method. Simply log into your online banking, find the transfer option, and input YouTrip's account details. It's like transferring money to a friend, but instead of buying them a coffee, you're giving yourself the freedom to explore the world without worrying about exchange rates. Credit or debit card. If you prefer a more instant solution, you can use your existing credit or debit card to top up your YouTrip account. Just head to the app, select Add Money, and follow the prompts. It's as easy as making a purchase online. Peer-to-peer transfers. Want to borrow some funds from a friend or family member? YouTrip supports peer-to-peer transfers. Just share your account details with the person you want to send money from, and they can transfer funds directly to your YouTrip account. It's a great way to pool resources for a group trip or share expenses. Cash deposits. In some regions, YouTrip offers the option to deposit cash directly into your account. This can be a convenient way to add funds if you don't have easy access to online banking or prefer a more tangible approach. Tips for a smooth funding experience. Double-check details. Always verify the recipient's details before confirming a transfer to avoid errors. Processing times. Be aware of potential processing times, especially for bank transfers. Some transfers may take a few business days to complete. Minimum and maximum amounts. There may be minimum and maximum amounts for each funding method. Check the YouTrip app for specific limits. Security and safety. Your financial security is a top priority. YouTrip employs advanced security measures to protect your funds and personal information. They use encryption technology to safeguard your data and adhere to strict compliance standards. Funding your YouTrip account is a simple process that can open up a world of possibilities. Whether you're planning a solo adventure or a group vacation, YouTrip can help you manage your finances with ease. So go ahead, explore the world and let YouTrip be your trusted companion. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy travels.